Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from My Style Spot. Now, working out at home has become very important for most of us. Thanks to COVID, a lot of us didn't have a choice but had to work out from home. But I actually love working out from home, and it's really easy to do with the right equipment. You can get a really good workout in every time with the right pieces. So I got to try out an awesome brand you can find on Amazon. It is Trideer, and they have everything from Pilates rings to yoga balls, yoga mats, everything. So I got to try out 5 of their products, including the Pilates ring, a ball, the yoga ball, yoga blocks, and a yoga strap. And I'm excited to show you my workout that I did recently with these products. Let's go ahead and watch that now.
You can really get the ultimate body toning and shaping with Trideer products. So here I'm using the yoga ball to do a couple of ab workouts. These are some of my favorites, and they really help to get the abs working hard, and trust me, you will feel it later. The ball is great for any kind of ab workout because of the stability it requires to do anything, even sitting on it. So this one is a little bit more advanced, but one of my favorites. And also just a heads up, I have sped up the video for sake of recording to fit in on my workout. Also, if you work from home, using the yoga ball at your desk instead of a chair is a really great way to get a workout. Your abs will get that work. This is a great one for back and abs as well. And then of course, I'm gonna do some thigh crunches here with the Pilates ring as well as my ball, and then some triceps. Here's another great ab workout, definitely gets the abs going, but I also put pressure between my thighs with the Pilates ring to get a thigh workout while I'm doing it as well. These are roll-ups, and they also really work the abs, but also every part of the body. I also squeeze the Pilates ring at the top, so I get that bit of an arm workout too while I do this. So now I'm gonna move on to the Pilates ball, and I'm gonna do some chair squats while also squeezing the ball between my legs. So again, I'm working my thighs and abs and the legs, of course. And then here is a great way to work the obliques, the side of the abs. I'm putting pressure on the ball as well. And then another great workout for the hamstring. And now I'm going to use the yoga blocks. And here I'm going to do some yoga for you. So it works great for triangle pose. Anywhere you need a little bit of support, the block will help you do that if you can't quite reach the floor. And here I use the block for bridge pose. And then I'm also going to do some leg stretches to work out the hamstrings and quads as well. And then here I'm doing an upward dog, so it can help you get that little bit of extra stretch. And then downward dog. And then the blocks also work really great for the extended puppy as they slide across the floor. So now I'm going to use the Trideer yoga strap, which really works great for stretching, especially the legs. So here I'm going to do an inner thigh stretch. And it also kind of stretches my back a little as well. Of course, you want to do everything on both sides. So I'm going to do this on the other leg now. This is a great hamstring and back stretch. And then, of course, the lower back here and the hamstrings as well. I love to do these stretches when I end a workout. I always need it. And then here also stretches the back, but I'm also putting pressure on the arms. And then here we do a dancer's pose with yoga, so it helps you get into that. And then I'm going to do some tricep dips here with the block, just kind of finish off the arms. And then back to the Pilates ring, I'm going to do some ab workout here. And then last, the thighs.
So super easy. That was an easy 30-minute workout, very easy. You can do so many different workouts with each of these products. If you're new to working out at home and unfamiliar with it, what I love is they also send you different workouts you can do with each of your products. So really awesome. So you can get a full workout right there. No at-home workout is complete without the right equipment, and that Trideer has definitely helped me do that. I feel like I'm getting great workouts in. I'm sore the next day, so I know I'm working hard. And these tools really help me get the best use of my workouts and really work the muscles as well. So if you'd like to check them out, you can find them on Amazon, and I have a 15% off code for you today. So check out the code here or below. Click on the links to shop these items, and then let me know in the comments below if you've tried them. I would love to hear your experience. So be sure to check out Trideer today, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please comment, share, Subscribe for free weekly awesome content and thumbs up this video if you like it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.